All right, here we go. Last problem on section 10.3. And we've got the sine of x times tangent of x plus cosine of 2x times the secant of x. And so you don't have to do this, but I would recommend that when you've got tangent or secant or anything that is either a reciprocal or is made up into two different functions working together, like tangent, I would break it up into can I make this into just sine and cosine and kind of work our way through. So sine of x, it's going to be just sine of x, times tangent of x, well, that's sine of x divided by cosine of x, plus now 2 times, or sorry, cosine of 2x. That's going to give us, we learned cosine squared of x minus sine squared of x. Now that quantity is going to be multiplied by secant, which is 1 over cosine of x. Now we've rewritten this whole thing in terms of just sine and cosine, just because that tends to make things a little bit easier on us. Maybe we can see something a little bit differently and kind of work through the problem just in a more simple way. So knowing that, let's continue on. Well, this first term here will give us sine squared of x over cosine of x, plus, let's distribute this out, we've got cosine squared of x over cosine of x minus sine squared of x also over cosine of x. And notice all of our denominators here are cosine of x, so we can add up all these pieces, and we're going to have I made a mistake here, didn't I? Oh no, we're okay. Sorry. Add up all our pieces here, and we're going to end up with let's sine. We'll write it all out first. Sine squared of x plus cosine squared of x minus sine squared of x over cosine of x. What is sine squared x minus sine squared x? Well, that's 0. And so we've got, this is equivalent to cosine squared of x divided by cosine x, which cosine squared divided by cosine is just cosine of x. All right, hope that helps.